For literally years, I've been putting out videos on my YouTube channel to help salespeople just like you around the world with my years of collective wisdom as a salesperson, as a sales manager, as a sales coach, and as a sales trainer. Everything that I've put out has been backed by my commitment to help you to be more effective as a salesperson. I'd now like you to consider going a step further with me and going deeper with me by investing in the first course that I've created for people to take online. I've been working on it for longer than you need to know. What you should know is I've put a lot of time and effort and energy into assembling a course that would help you to reach your goals faster, to feel more confident, and be more effective as a salesperson. My plan is for you to take this program and get many, many times the return on investment that you'll make with your time and money by going through the program. I'd like to introduce you to the opportunity to invest in the Sales Success System for a Strong Start program, which will launch on September 1st, 2022. I'm going to introduce the program to you today in brief. There will be more videos coming out through the sales campaign, which is running through the month of August before the course launches on September 1st. So for today, what I want you to know is that this is a comprehensive program. It is 7 weeks, 2 segments per week, meaning that it's essentially 14 videos that I've recorded to help you understand exactly how you can apply the power of your mindset, your daily approach, and a process to be much more effective than you are now, and to zoom ahead of where you would be if you didn't invest in this program. Throughout the program, each module has 2 videos as well as complementary tools that will help you to put the material that you learn into action. And so not only will you be listening and learning, but you'll be applying as you go through the program. On top of that, there's going to be a private LinkedIn group that you can join and get to know peers that are on the journey with you, ask questions that I'll answer for you. Depending on your level of investment, there will also be opportunities to attend webinars with me where I'll answer questions live, and I'll record them for people who are unable to make it live. And lastly, if you choose the highest level of investment, you'll even get some one-on-one coaching calls with me to work specifically on challenges that you might be facing so that we can go beyond the material and expand its opportunity to help you. So this is all part of this program. As I scroll through, you see that it's module after module of highly impactful content that is going to really make a difference in your sales career. If you've been looking for something that's reasonable, comprehensive, and intended to do everything it can to help you, this may be the program for you. You're also going to receive several bonuses when you invest in the program, which will be valuable in their own right. And you have time to think about it because this program doesn't launch until September 1st. So I want you to go through the whole sales page, read it carefully, watch some of the additional videos that I come out with in the next several weeks to understand more of what we'll be covering before you choose to make the investment. But know that the program is also guaranteed. If you don't believe that this program is going to be the best investment that you can make at this time in your sales career, then you can ask for a refund because you know that I believe in the program. I've put tons of effort into it, and I don't think you'll have any challenges with it, but you never know. That's why I guarantee the program, so you don't have to feel hesitant to make the investment. Know that it's backed by my commitment to help you. So if you have questions, email me at michael@buildandbalance.com after you've read through the sales page, because many of your questions will be answered there. And know that there are more videos coming along the way soon to help you to understand more about this program. I hope to welcome you to the program on September 1st, when we will kick off this 7-week journey to greatly impact your sales success through the end of this year and into next year so that you can really be the successful salesperson you know that you can be with a little bit of help. Thank you very much.